Welcome. This video demonstrates how to add a second phone key to your Tesla Model 3. As of December 2025, Tesla's phone key feature allows multiple drivers to easily access and drive your Model 3 without needing a physical key. We'll cover the setup process, security features, and some troubleshooting tips. This feature, enhanced through recent software updates, provides a seamless experience for families or shared vehicle scenarios. It's important to distinguish between the phone key and the Tesla account key. The phone key uses Bluetooth for short-range access, typically within 10 meters, requiring the Tesla app to be active. The Tesla account key utilizes internet connectivity for longer-range access up to 60 meters, enabling remote functions. Both can be assigned to different phones on the same Tesla account, giving you flexibility in how you and others access the car. First, install the Tesla app on the new phone and log in using your primary Tesla account credentials. Next, make sure your Model 3 is nearby and unlocked for pairing. In the Tesla app, navigate to Vehicle, then Locks, and then Keys. Select Add Key and choose Phone Key from the options. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair the phone via Bluetooth, which may involve scanning a QR code on the touchscreen. After pairing the second phone key, you can assign specific permissions to control what each key can do with your vehicle. This provides granular control for multiple drivers. For example, you can grant full driving access, allowing the key holder to start and drive the car, or limit it to unlock only, which lets them open the doors but prevents driving. Now that permissions are assigned, test the new phone key to ensure it works correctly. You can lock and unlock the car remotely through the Tesla app or by proximity when near the vehicle. Tap the lock button in the app to lock the car remotely. Watch the car icon update and check the signal strength in the corner. Now tap Unlock to test unlocking. The signal strength may fluctuate based on proximity. Verify the lock overlay disappears. For proximity testing, approach the car with your phone. The key should unlock automatically when close. Always verify functionality before relying on the phone key for regular use. Tesla's phone key system incorporates robust security measures to protect your vehicle access. Each phone key is linked to the device's unique identifier, ensuring only that specific phone works as a key. This prevents unauthorized devices from accessing your vehicle. Multi-factor authentication is required for account access, adding an extra layer of security beyond passwords. This typically involves verification through your phone or biometric data. Tesla uses end-to-end encryption to protect your data during transmission and storage. This ensures that only you and Tesla's secure servers can access the information. If the app is uninstalled or the account is logged out, the associated phone key is automatically invalidated. This prevents anyone from using an old or stolen device to access your vehicle. Shared account owners can revoke keys instantly through the app or Tesla's web portal. This allows quick removal of access for any shared users when needed. If you encounter issues with adding a second phone key, the first step is to ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Open your phone's Quick Settings or Settings app and turn Bluetooth on. Next, verify that the Tesla app has the necessary permissions. The app requires location access and Bluetooth permissions to function properly. For compatibility, your device must run iOS 14 or higher or Android 8 or higher with Bluetooth Low Energy version 4.0 or above. Older devices may not support the phone key feature. If you experience pairing glitches, try restarting the Tesla app or your phone. This often resolves temporary connectivity issues. For persistent problems that don't resolve with the above steps, consult Tesla's support documentation online or contact customer service directly through the app or website. The automotive industry is rapidly shifting toward fully digital, app-based vehicle access. This trend eliminates the need for physical keys and enhances convenience for multiple users. Tesla is exploring biometric integration, such as fingerprint authentication, to potentially replace PIN requirements. This would make access even more secure and seamless. Future developments may include integrating phone keys with digital wallets, like Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. This would allow seamless access through existing mobile payment ecosystems. Enhanced AI-driven security could enable dynamic key permissions, such as time-limited access for rentals or shared usage scenarios. Experts praise Tesla's phone key for its simplicity and convenience, making it a game changer for multi-user vehicles, according to Tesla analyst Sandy Munro. Cybersecurity firm Kaspersky Labs rated Tesla's encryption as robust, giving it a 9 out of 10 for digital key security. However, potential battery drain on older phones is a consideration, as noted by experts. Statistics from Tesla's 2024 Impact Report show 65% of Model 3 owners use at least one phone key, with 25% opting for multiple setups. A 2025 J.D. Power survey found 78% of Tesla buyers prefer digital keys for convenience, citing a 50% reduction in key loss. Only 15% report occasional pairing glitches, often resolved by app restarts. Tesla's digital key technology is seen as a benchmark for the industry, offering a secure and efficient way to manage vehicle access for multiple drivers. Future projections from McKinsey estimate Tesla's digital key tech could generate $500 million in accessory revenue by 2030. Overall, expert consensus views it as a benchmark for the industry. Thanks for watching.